Noni and Noga. How do you use Noni and Noga? Or Nani Nani, Noni, and Nani Nani, Noga. If you learn Japanese a lot and you already know many Japanese language, maybe you always use Noni and Noga, but you don't exactly know the difference between Noni and Noga. And the truth is quite a difference between Noni and Noga. Maybe you use it's just don't pay attention for the deep meaning of the Noni and Noga. But the truth is quite different between Noni and Noga. And today we will learn the difference by using some example to explain the meaning between Noni and Noga. Actually, and when you use Noni, it means that even thought or it may have more than that meaning, depend to the sentence. But today we will learn the meaning that even thought. And ga, nani nani ga, is mean that when you use some word and you will continue with another small part of the sentence, you can use a ga, which means but, or it had the meaning that's similar. And so let's see the detail together. In here we have the sentence like this. 予約をしたのに彼女は来ませんでした。予約をしたのに彼女は来ませんでした。Which means even though we had a date, she didn't turn up. Even though we had a date, she didn't turn up. So in this sentence, we use noni, and after noni, we create the sentence like 彼女は来ませんでした。彼女は来ませんでした。This means she didn't turn up or she didn't come to meet you, even you have a date. You already have a date. That means this example expresses the feeling of surprise and disappointment that what had naturally been expected, that she would turn up from the first class we had a date, had not happened. So what is the meaning? That means you and, for example, you and your girlfriend already make an appointment to go a restaurant, but you go there and she didn't come on the time or in that day. She didn't come at all. So in either case like this, you can use noni. Noni, that mean if you use noni, that mean you are so sorry or you disappointed about that she didn't come to meet you because you and your girlfriend already make an appointment but they don't come. So when you just use noni, that means you feel disappointed or you feel about sorry or you feel not good for that. So you can use noni to explain. And when you use noni, that means they will understand about your feeling for the who are you speaking with. So let's see how about when we use ga. For example, in here we change to be ga. So what is the meaning of the sentence? 予約をしたが彼女は来ませんでした。予約をしたが彼女は来ませんでした。This sentence we use ga and they translate to be like this. We had a date and she didn't turn up. We had a date and she didn't turn up. Even we use a ga, this means then translate to be and, not even thought. That means when you say 予約をしたが彼女は来ませんでした。That means you express a feeling. You express a feeling. You express the feeling, but you are not really disappointed about think that she didn't come to meet you, and you just use ga. So this the difference that the feeling of from your heart and the feeling from your mind. So these are the meaning that something is the difference between noni and ga. If you use ga, that the person that you are talking with, you feel that maybe you are not so disappointed a lot. Maybe you just feel the normal. So this is the difference when you use noni and ga. So let's see another example together. In here we have the sentence. Another sentence like this. 今日は日曜日なのに働かなければなりません。今日は日曜日なのに働かなければなりません。Which means I have to work today, despite the fact that it's a Sunday. I have to work today, despite the fact that it's a Sunday. In here we have the first part of the sentence. 日曜日なのに Nanoni is mean noni is mean even thought, right? Or the fact that. So 今日は日曜日 which means today is a Sunday, but you use noni is mean even thought or the fact that. 働かなければなりません。働かなければなりません it means you have to work. Actually, when you go to work, you will go to on the weekday, not weekend. You go to weekday from Monday to Friday, but not Sunday or Saturday, right? That is the natural. So when in this sentence they use no need, that mean they use no need to express a feeling of dissatisfaction that the speaker has had to work even though the first clause, which state it is a Sunday, would naturally lead to the conclusion that he or she would be able to have a holiday, right? So that means you say the feeling from your heart, from your mind, that why you had to work, so you feel disappointed about today, right? You feel disappointed about the day that even it's a Sunday you had to work, so you express your feeling that you feel not good about that. But so let's see another example, like we change to be ga. So now we change to be ga. So what is the different? So in here we also say like this. 今日は日曜日ですが、働かなければなりません。今日は日曜日ですが、働かなければなりません。Which means it is Sunday today and I have to work. It is Sunday today and I have to work. What is the meaning? This means we translate the ga, right? The ga to be and, not even thought. When you translate to be and, this means you are not so much disappointed. So that mean you would no longer express a feeling of surprise or dissatisfaction. That you just feel normal. You just feel normal like Monday to Friday. If you taught this sentence to your friends or your boss, you can say 日曜日ですが働かなければなりません. That means you feel like the natural day. You're not disappointed. So this is the difference when you use noni and ga. So the meaning is different even you use to connect between the two small part of the sentence together. So I hope that you understand about how to use noni and ga and the difference between noni and ga. So if you have any question about the using Japanese grammar, you can comment below and I'll be happy to answer your question. Thank you very much.